Hi guys, my name is Blue. Today I'm gonna make a tutorial on my reverse edits. But before we dive in, I would like to thank all my subscribers for the love and support. Thank you guys. Alright, so let's dive in. Step 1. Get your clips. Get your clips ready, obviously. Step 2. Go to speed, then click on custom graph and delete those markers and follow this and create your own speed like a flash in and flash out. So, step 3, duplicate your clip. Step 4, reverse the duplicated clips. And step 5, adjust the speed to make it faster at the end. Repeat those steps for every clip. And that's how I do my reverse. If you like this video and find this video helpful, you can subscribe and watch some of my edits and share this video. Do not forget to comment. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.